Alright, so we're looking at these hot air solder stations. They all seem to be based kind of on this same particular wand. I gave away a Hacko or whatever because I couldn't afford to replace the wand. The Yahuwah 959 seems to be pretty common. And they do these 8786s and different 858s, 8858. So I wish it wouldn't give me my results like this. Freaking annoying. They got these now, like these little deals like that. I don't know, is the blower motor inside the wand on a lot of these now? I'm wondering. So it must be. See, 8586, and then like have the soldering iron on top of it, or I mean, like you basically for like $3 more, you get a soldering iron with it, whatever. I'm actually not concerned about that. I have a Weller digital one. What I'm more concerned about is the extra tips that you would get for smaller stuff. Come on. It did not let me hover over it. Anyway. It's driving me nuts. So I think you want to stick with probably these 858s because you can get a replacement wand if they burn up. But the wand is $20, $18, something like that. So I'm not sure. I don't know how reliable these are. There's lots of just different ones. I mean, like you could spend a lot of money, or you can get one for like about $30. They all seem to be based off of this 858 type of thing, and they're all like prices range all over the damn place. So I guess it doesn't probably really matter which one you probably buy. But you probably want to get the one that comes with the most accessories. That's probably what you want to do. Sorry, I just seen something in the window. I'm waiting for Amazon to deliver the K-Sun UV radio. I like this one here. It kind of looks like my Weller. That's sort of neat. 2A Auto. This is the company. Interesting. This is the company that makes those 3D printers that I have. The big, huge, like TR10? Yeah. I'm drawing a brain fart here. It's kind of a fuzzy picture. I definitely think it looks pretty neat. So, but one of the things is I just want to keep everything cheap and replaceable, serviceable. Or if it's not, it's cheap enough you can just throw it away. So, no good. So yeah, that looks neat, but that's no good. You can't replace that. No reason to buy that. Not for $89 either. That's nuts. So this one looks decent. Looks like it comes with a little bit more settings on the machine itself. Some of these... What the hell is this? What in the heck? It's quite the desoldering tool. Interesting. Yeah, 3 channel. So I'm not really sure that that's an important thing. Yeah, I don't see any reason to even care about that. But I'm sure somebody probably needs it. So anyway, I'm just kind of poking around here looking. I think I will probably get an 858 style. I think I'll probably rather avoid the dual station. I don't really want a dual station. It's just kind of more crap in the way for me. So this is what I want to use it for, is for removing components. About the most surface mount that I've gotten to is a resoldered a USB connector onto one of the kids' Game Boy thingies. So anyway, I'm looking at those. If you know of a better deal or, you know, whatnot on that, leave a comment down below.